Welcome to NDoc Billing. In this module we will cover the process for creating a wrap. In this video you will learn how to navigate the main menu, validate a claim, post a claim, create an electronic claim. We get started at the main menu and expand the Billing section and select Billing Pre-Audit. We look at billing in two different categories. PPS for those payers that reimburse episodically, and non-PPS for every other scenario. For this example, we will look at PPS billing and information missing preventing us from processing this wrap. For this example, we will look at all records, select PPS billing. We can include or exclude specific charge and assessment information, select a specific cert date range, select failures found, select initial under PPS claim type, and select preview. Once our report opens, we can view all patients whose cert period falls within the range that we have selected. Here we can see in red what is preventing us from processing this claim. Reasons could be no valid OASIS assessment with a valid HIPS or HERT score, doctor not enrolled in PCOS, or no first billable visit found. The More Options tab from the Billing Pre-Audit screen allows us to select what we want and what we don't want to see on this report as far as warnings. Now we want to look at those wraps that are ready to bill. For this example, we will change our report type to Ready to Bill and select Preview. Once our report opens, we can view all patients whose cert period falls within the range that we have selected. We can also view the initial billing information. Once we have reviewed the details for the claims that are ready to bill, we can navigate directly to our Billing Audit section by going directly from the Billing Pre-Audit to the Billing Audit section. We can now create a claim or claims for those wraps we just looked at. Here we can set the bill date for today. This is the date the claim will be posted to our accounts receivable report. Select Preview. From the Billing Audit Report, we can view the claim information. Here we can view the patient demographics, the respective payers, the diagnosis, information about the claim, which includes the estimated episode payment, the initial wrap, the amount posted to the AR, which is that 60-50 split depending on whether it's initial cert or a recert. You can also see the calculations that make up that claim. Once you are satisfied the information on the claim is correct, you can post the claim. Once you post the claim, you'll be asked to confirm, provide the system password. You will receive confirmation that the claims have been successfully processed. The next step is to create the electronic claim. From the electronic claim section under Billing, we generate our electronic claim file. This is the claim file submitted to our payer for reimbursement. For this example, we will sequence by patient. Selection type will be a specific insurance. In this case, we will select Medicare. Select our bill date range, which is the same bill date for the claim just posted from the bill audit. Select our Medicare option set. From the yellow folder, we navigate to our desktop or our network share and save the claim file. Give this claim file a name and select Preview. Preview this claim to make sure everything is in order prior to sending off to Medicare and that there are no errors. Once I verify the claim is correct, the claim file will be uploaded to your clearinghouse. NDoc Billing has an option to integrate with Ability or Zirmed. This would send the claim directly, eliminating that extra step of having to upload manually. The last step allows you to mark claims as submitted. This step date stamps the claim submission. This step also sends the file directly to your clearinghouse with the integration option. In this video, you learned how to navigate the main menu, validate a claim, post a claim, create an electronic claim. Thank you for viewing this NDoc Billing e-learning presentation.